I'm Umarora from Tutors.com, and in today's video we will learn about the topic garbage in and garbage out. So the main subtopics which we are going to cover in today's video are introduction, vermicomposting, think and throw, recycling of paper, and then the last one, plastic boon or curse. So let's move forward and let's begin with the first subtopic, which is introduction. So there is one question which always pops up, like, from where does the garbage come? So if we talk about any item which we consume in our daily life, let's start from milk, biscuits, pulses, grains. They all are being wrapped into plastic bags or tins, and all these wrapping material go out as garbage. With that, if we talk about domestic waste such as broken toys, old clothes, shoes, they all come part of garbage. So let's see on the next slide that how we can deal with garbage. So all the garbage of a particular area is collected in trucks, and then it is taken into a low-lying open area which is called landfill. And then the garbage is classified into useful and non-useful components. So that's how we deal with garbage. Now let's move forward towards the next slide and let's learn about vermicomposting. Well, vermicompost is an excellent fertilizer and soil conditioner. So now let's learn about steps of vermicomposting. Well, the first step is to take a bin and make 10 to 15 small holes on the lid and the sides of the bin. And the next step is to make the bedding. So for that you can use newspaper. The third step and the exciting part is to add food scraps and worm into that. And the last step is to care for your bin by feeding your worms at least a week. So that's how vermicomposting is done. So that was all about vermicomposting. Now let's move forward towards the next line. Well, we are generating mountains of garbage every day, which can lead to a major environmental problem. So let's try to find out the solution of garbage problem. So one of the components of garbage is usually paper. So let's see that how we can recycle and reuse paper. Well, you can reuse paper in many ways, starting from wrapping some gifts to clean glass or to clean windows. Now let's talk about recycling paper. So let's learn that how paper is recycled in the most systematic manner. The first step is to take the paper from the bin and to deposit that into a large cycling container. The next step is to take the paper and separate that into different types and grades. And then the separated paper is washed with soapy water to remove inks, plastics, films, staples and glue, and then it is mixed with water to create slurry. And by adding different materials to the slurry, different products can be made by paper, such as cardboard, paper cups, newsprints, office paper or the toilet paper. So this was all about recycling and reuse of paper. Let's move forward towards the next slide and let's learn about plastics. So basically we can see plastic everywhere around us. You can think of toys, bags, pens, combs. So all these products are made up of plastics. So we are using basically plastic in everything. But the use of plastics at this large scale can be hazardous to the environment. So let's see that how we can minimize the use of plastics. So here are a few points which you can apply in your daily life to minimize overuse of plastics. The first one is make minimum use of plastic bags. Reuse the same bags wherever it is possible. Use paper bags. Do not use plastic bags to store eatables as it is not good for health. Do not throw plastic bags here and there, and with that the last one, never burn plastic bags and other plastic items. So now let's move forward, and here are a few practice time questions for you. You can pause the video here, and once you are done with all the questions, you can resume the video to check your answers. Congratulations if all of your answers are correct, And thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.